What's up, guys? No, I did not forget about you guys. Got back from Socorro, and this infection on my leg's been really putting me down. Went to the clinic here. They got me on antibiotics 4 times a day, some other type of pill twice a day, and just been laying around for the past couple days, elevating my leg, keeping the swelling down, putting the ointment on. And guys, it's been just rainy. I think yesterday the sun came out for a while, but man, just rain. It's crazy. But yeah, gotta take care of myself first, right? Before I put out some videos. But like I said, it's this morning, actually last night, it came down hard. Kids were out playing early. They were just out playing in the rain. But man, it's just, we got Uncle P over here. Nothing stops in the rain. Yeah, right, Miguel? It's cutting wood for the fire because they're making sticky rice. And evidently it's a long process to make sticky rice. So he's got to cut the wood. But yeah, Luke's been cleaning up the grounds here, burning stuff, getting ready to put some type of garden in. I don't know what they're gonna do. When they do, they do. But here they're all back out playing. Rain doesn't stop. Wow. Bang, 2 tips. Elise, there goes the ball. Elise, get the ball. Get it, Elise. Wow, even Luke's getting in on the action. It's like, remember the TV show? Hang on, wipe that off. Guys, remember the TV show Green Acres? That's kind of like what it is here. Got the chickens running around. They're hiding in the rain. They hide. But there was a chicken that was coming up like every day upstairs. Miguel, Luke's brother, said it used to come up there before it was all redone and lay an egg. So it's just returning back to where it laid an egg, right? It's now in the chicken coop and laying an egg out there. Oh, look out. Yeah, this is crazy, this rain. The electrician has been here, got a lot of wire ran, a lot of outlets put in. One step at a time, guys. You know what, 99.9% of the comments, you guys are leaving positive comments. Of course, you always have the ones that, they're just miserable in life, right? But things slowly. This is a project that we are doing, one project every month. Next month, we're getting cabinets put in upstairs, downstairs in the kitchen. Let's do the cabinet thing. And after that, tile, we're gonna throw some tile in. The kitchen area is slowly coming along. Rome wasn't built in a day, but yeah. All right, so the process of sticky rice.
Yes.
Explain the process.
Okay, I'm going. So this is the process of sticky rice. It's kind of long process, but we already cooked the sticky rice over. But this one came from coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
Yes, that's
right.
a coconut juice. You know how you get like a brownish
Right.
brown, and then they're going to stir it for a couple of hours. How many hours, ma?
You stir that for...
Yeah, you need to take this one. This juice will need to reduce.
So you'll do that for a couple hours?
Yeah.
Who's going to stand
like
and do
hour,
that?
maybe hour, half hour, 1 hour is the most. You need to make it sure the juice will reduce and it becomes sticky. And then once it becomes sticky...
That's not the sticky rice. That's
no,
juice.
that's
the
juice.
Coconut
yes,
juice.
they
Right.
put sugar on it,
Right.
and then coconut juice.
Right.
And then you are going to stir that for an hour, is the most, to make the juice reduce. And then after that
What's
one...
it get thick?
thick. Yeah.
That'll get thick.
Yes. And
Right.
then after, you're gonna put the sticky rice over here and then stir that again to do the
Where's the sticky rice at now?
sticky rice is over
Let's
here.
do the sticky rice.
You can open that up.
Yeah.
That is brown
Oh, okay.
and white. It's
That's
mixed.
brown and white.
Yeah, it's mixed
Rice.
together.
Does it have
Yeah.
any taste to it? No?
There's no taste in it. It's just like a rice.
Yeah, it tastes like rice.
Yeah. The thing I can make the taste on this one is this juice one over here because they put sugar on it.
Right.
So after this one will be reduced, you put the sticky rice over here and then stir that again to mix the juice and the
Right.
sticky rice. And then, ano, it's
So once all this is done, we move to the next step,
oh.
right?
And then after this one it's done, you put that back over there and then
So after this is done, you put this rice in there.
yes, yes.
All right, and then there's another step after that. All right, so when we get to the next step, we'll show you. All right, check this out. Explain what we're looking at here.
So that is the juice. That's
what it all
it's already
boiled down
sticky.
to.
Yeah, that's it boiled down
Right.
to. No, right now my mom will going to ano yan ma? Kukunin, no? Das ibutang di ngani. Oh, my mom are going to take the sticky rice,
Right,
pour over here,
right.
and then they're stirring it down also. You just see how that's how it works over. As I said, it's a long
You
process.
can see it's thickened up.
Yeah, it's thickened up
Definitely
and that's
thickened up. Oh wait, you just
there we go. We're just going to do like that way, and then you put
Oh,
that
okay.
one there, and then you stir that like down to make the flavor out. Mix.
all that rice will fit in there.
Oh,
Wow.
ano yung gaganyanin?
Oh.
Ganyan. So you're gonna do like this.
Right.
Oh my gosh, it's heavy. It's heavy. And then they're gonna do like mixing together.
Right.
So the juice and the rice, it combined together. That's how you make the taste.
And how many will this feed?
Huh?
How many will this feed?
How many? It's
It'll feed a lot.
feed a lot and
Yeah,
it's
there's
feed,
another process after this.
Yeah, the process with this after
Alright.
this is you're gonna put it back over.
Okay. All right, so all the rice is in there now. Now it's a matter of mixing it all together and getting it sticky. Now does it taste like anything?
It tastes sweet now
Now it tastes sweet.
because you put the juice
Watch,
already.
don't burn yourself.
Oh.
Don't catch your hair on fire.
Oh, then I will be ano. Then you will see Luisa no here.
Yeah,
Wanna try?
yeah, let me taste a little bit. Hang on. Is it hot?
Yeah, be careful.
I don't want to burn my finger. That is good.
Huh?
Mhm.
Told you.
Sweet and ricey.
Yeah.
Sweet and ricey. That does taste good.
Yeah, I told you. But
Yeah, what
it's
do you
a
think,
long
Junior?
process.
You like sticky rice? Masarap?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so that's stuck to the bottom of the pan. What do you do with that?
What you gonna do with this? That's why my mother left something.
Right.
Because you can just turn
you
like
can
that.
dip it in
Ouch.
there. Alright, alright. Doesn't it taste burnt?
No,
No?
good.
Wow. Let me taste that. That's the sticky rice. That is good. All right, it's Biko time. Biko time. There it is. Miguel, he likes his cold.
Yeah, I like
He
this.
likes his cold with coffee.
Yeah, with
How
coffee.
you like it, Junior? Masarap? Yeah. All
It's
right.
one of the
Alini,
Ling
this
ling.
is the-
Bing bing. How is it, Bing?
one of the delicacies.
masarap.
Masarap.
Delicacy.
Delicacy.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Wow.
Ling one oh.
Ling ling.
Ah, ling ling.
Where's Nini?
One of the best
Ling
delicacies.
oh.
Nini. Come on, Nini.
Pag nagtimpla ka ng juice, masarap
Yeah,
yung bigat juice.
Put some juice in it. Yeah.
Yeah, put some like milk in it.
Yeah.
No juice.
That's just.
Just to drink.
Oh, look at Norm.
Wow, you have a lot of
Yeah.
doors. Why?
Like he's taking some.
Yeah.
Oh, like he's gonna take off with it.
It's a. You trick us,
Ah.
right?
Why?
Nerves. Oh,
It's not taking anything because you know it's his sugar anyway. It's sugar.
how is it, Nini? Nini, masarap. All right. Look at Norbs. He's swiping it. He's taking it back to work.
Yeah.
He's going to sell it.
Yeah. They trick us, right?
Yeah. How's the sticky rice?
It's very
Is it masarap? Goy
masarap.
goy. No.
Masarap.
Masarap?
Yes.
No? No, why are you eating it? Goy goy, why are you eating it if it's no good? How is it? 2 tips? Masarap?
Yummy. Wow, sarap.
How is it?
Yummy.
How is it, man?
Yummy.
Hey, yummy. All right. Goy goy. No good. No good. All right, my turn.
Okay, Brian's turn.
So it's basically coconut milk.
Sugar.
Coconut milk from the coconut.
Yeah, it's a cream like.
White coconut and brown coconut?
Brown sugar.
No, brown coconut is
Ah,
right?
yeah.
The
It
dried
doesn't
what?
matter.
Oh, it don't matter.
It doesn't matter. It is good if you use the brown because
Yeah,
there's
the
too
brown.
much
More cream on it.
more
The
cream.
last
What do you mean brown? Like brown?
The dried.
The dried
Oh, the dried.
brown, yeah.
Dried.
Yeah.
And then brown sugar.
Yes.
brown.
So this is good for my diabetes.
No.
So I shouldn't eat a lot of it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's good. It's really good. I've had this before.
Yeah. But I
But,
think you did that white one.
I've had this cold,
Yeah, cold.
which is called,
Biko.
no, what's this called?
This?
Yeah.
Biko.
But what's the cold called? When it's cold, wrapped in banana leaf.
Ah,
bud,
bud
bud.
bud.
Wood.
Bud.
Yeah.
Bud.
But it's definitely good when it's warm.
Yeah.
Much better when it's warmer. Not
Nah,
cold.
it's cold. I like the cold one.
Oh, that was good. Am I getting a rice in my teeth? Rain. That's what we did today. Just rainy. Like I said in the beginning of the video, it's just been raining. Hopefully it's going to clear up here. I mean, I've been checking the forecast and it seems like it's going to rain for the next couple days off and on. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I've been nursing this mosquito bite infection that I got on my leg. My health is more important than getting out and doing videos. I got to rest and relax so I can get videos out there for you guys. Grandma didn't have any sticky rice. She's sleeping. She sleeps off and on throughout the day and stuff. And so we couldn't ask Grandma if she likes it. You know, somebody said, well, Grandma seems so angry, so grumpy. She's old. She sleeps. She does laugh, guys. Trust me. I'll catch her laughing on a video. And you'll be like, wow, she does laugh. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the new chapter of my life. Let's put it that way. No, things aren't perfect. No, things aren't the way I really want them to be here. Not yet. They will get there. Like I said, one step at a time, one project at a time. Within a year, you'll be like, oh my God, Philly, that doesn't look like where you first moved in. But anyway, stay with us. Also, somebody asked me if I could show them a speed test for Starlink here. Guys, when it rains like this, the Starlink, it's in and out. You know, the clouds, the sky, the rain, everything. It's not as strong as, say, an open, clear sky. Does it work? Sure, it works. It's just streaming stuff, a lot of times it'll spin. But anyways, guys, I did a speed test, and I'm going to close this video out with it. So let me know what you think about the speed test. I think they're doing great, speed-wise. Now, I did this on a very clear, sunny day, in between all the rain. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.